The U.S. just struck a trade deal with the United Kingdom. It's being promoted as a major win, but is it really a model for future deals, especially with China still looming large? The US-UK trade agreement sets a 10% tariff floor for certain categories and includes several key carve-outs designed to favor both sides. Up to 100,000 UK vehicles annually can be imported to the US at the low 10% tariff. US beef gains. Full market access in the UK, up to 13,000 metric tons, with reciprocal access for British beef. No tariffs on steel and aluminum, which clears a major hurdle for UK exporters and simplifies compliance. The UK also agreed to purchase $10 billion of Boeing aircraft, boosting US manufacturing exports. The deal includes commitments in areas like intellectual property, labor, and environment, and seeks to secure supply chains. Limitations. The deal doesn't address all tariffs and leaves the UK's digital services tax on tech giants unchanged. The Trump administration is framing this as a template for future trade deals, streamlined, limited in scope, and politically symbolic. But applying this same approach to other large economies like India, Japan, or the EU may not work. Not every partner is willing to agree to a 10% floor or sector-specific carve-outs. Where does this leave China? The UK deal may be meant to show momentum and isolate China diplomatically, but Beijing remains unmoved. It's pursuing its own trade routes and regional dominance. The US-China dispute is increasingly looking like a game of chicken, neither side willing to make the first real concession. Mostly symbolic thawing conversations have started in Geneva, Switzerland. This UK deal offers substantive gains in key areas: cars, beef, aviation. But it's still a limited agreement. It may help set the tone for future US trade policy, but don't expect China or other major economies to fall in line just yet. The question remains, is this real leverage or just optics? Please like, comment, and subscribe.